We have created so many beautiful pieces here at Artopiia, Art Therapy Sundays. But one of my most favorite things is when we get together and discuss the meaning behind our works of art. So if you want to know the meaning of this piece, just keep watching.
You're breaking through like barriers that are in the way, and you're seeing your opportunities on the other side of the wall. I think this looks like plants, so maybe like growth here. So like this would be like the plants and the growth. So you're still growing.
Yo. Keep quiet.
Wait, is it
Keep quiet. Let her explain.
Oh really?
Explain.
That's not cool.
Yeah, because I'm seeing he's like broken the wall down.
You know?
But here, you tell me how wrong I am.
Can I also try?
Yes, try.
Yeah, because I think she turned the paper upside down, right? This is it. This is a face.
Hold it, let me see.
Or is it?
This is a face.
Yes.
That's the person's eye. These are tears, right? And taking it from your perspective, so the person is breaking through the wall, but there are blockades. That's what I'm saying, that this hand is trying to stop the person from pushing him back to the wall, and the person is in tears because of that.
Okay, let me add a little bit.
I do see a face now that you've turned it. But I saw plants. So both can be true.
You saw what?
A plant.
I felt the wall here represent the blockage and the hardship of life, and after breaking the wall through, it's like it's touchful.
Okay.
You have it?
It's not full.
So give me my hands.
All right. The road of life is not the same. So the wall is the obstacles, the stumbling blocks, the ups and downs. So all those bricks are words which were thrown at me, and I built a beautiful wall.
Hey.
So they saw a beautiful wall, but behind the wall, I was starving. I was hungry, I was sick, I was working, I was not being paid, I was bullied. So out of all that, I didn't give up. I persisted and I made a breakthrough.